Are you ready to receive a sign from the universe in 24 hours that the path that you're on, the direction you're taking, is the right path, the right direction? Receive a sign in 24 hours. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, miracle mentor and alchemy life coach, and today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. And that's what this channel is all about. Your dreams and your goals, using the latest science, ancient mysteries, and of course, the law of attraction. And we are so excited because we've had so many couples get together after a breakup. So many people find their soulmate. So many people receive abundance, a job promotion. We just love those letters. But I have to share one. We did a video not long ago that in the video I said, good things are coming your way. And I suggested that everybody say, good things are coming my way. Well, one of our listeners, he took a little red pouch and he wrote, good things are coming my way. And he put it in the red pouch and he began carrying it with him. I don't know if he was looking for a sign or not, but guess what? He sat down to have a Chinese meal, and when he opened up the fortune cookie, there it was. Good things are coming your way. And I believe that. I truly do. I absolutely believe that good things are coming your way. Thank you so much for your support, for subscribing and sharing this channel around the net. We're reaching people that, well, we never thought we'd reach before. But first, we want to talk about receiving a sign. Now, I think the gentleman who wrote me the letter, sent me the pictures of that fortune cookie, good things are coming your way. I think that was a sign. Look, the universe does not speak Chinese. It does not speak Japanese. It does not speak Americanese. It does not speak Frenchese. It does speak vibration. And it does speak in obvious, heart-thumping signs. In other words, when you receive a sign from the universe, oh, you know it. I mean, you just, oh, there it is. There it is. That's the sign. That's the sign that you are on the right path, that you are going in the right direction, that you are making the right choices, that you are doing the right things. The universe is saying, keep on going, keep fired up, keep focused, because good things are coming your way. I believe it's possible to receive a sign in 24 to 48 hours. I really do. And I think, well, some people it may take a little bit longer, but here is the secret. I'm going to share this with you. First, you have to know exactly what the sign will represent. Not what the sign will be, but what it will represent. Will it represent to keep sending out those applications? Will it represent to keep focused on this particular person that you're in love with? What will the sign represent? Will it represent to keep selling those products? Keep advertising in a certain direction? So you have to have an idea of what the sign will represent, what direction you're going in. Be clear to yourself about that. That's very, very important. And once you've determined what the sign will mean, then be prepared to be amazed. Here's how you activate the universe to send you the sign. You don't sit there and pound your fist and say, send me a sign, send me a sign, send me a sign. Or in the old days, people used to flip through the Bible and look for a passage. You know, I just flipped through the Bible. It was called bibliomancy. Or maybe I'll go to the local psychic and get a reading. No, 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 no. You don't do that. You fill yourself with source energy. You fill yourself with gratitude. And gratitude is the key. And so for 24 hours at least, every time you get a chance to think about it, every time it comes into your mind, you will thank the universe in advance of it happening. In other words, the universe hasn't sent you a sign yet, but you are going to thank the universe for sending you a sign, a clear, undeniable sign. Thank you for sending me a sign. Thank you for sending me this wonderful, undeniable sign that I am making the right decision and traveling in the right direction. Something simple like that. Keep it simple and do it throughout the day. Do it as you get up in the morning. Do it while you're taking your shower. Do it while you're having breakfast. Do it on your way to work. Do it during your lunch breaks. Do it all day long. Just be constantly thanking the universe in gratitude. Oh yeah, gratitude. Fill yourself, your energy field, your soul with gratitude. And as you do that, as you fill yourself with gratitude for the sign that you've already received, but really hasn't come yet, expect the amazing. Expect something very, very incredible to show up in your life as a sign. And when you see the sign, it's going to be gnosis. It's going to be, I know that I know that I know. I have received a sign from the universe. The universe and I are talking. We're like buds, we're communicating together. And the universe has sent me a clear message that I've made the right decision, that I'm on the right path, that I'm going in the right direction. It feels good to receive these little signs, these little nudges from the universe, these little pats on the back saying, you're doing it right. Keep going. Don't give up yet. Everything is getting better and better. Good things are coming your way. Act as if you've received the sign, fill yourself with gratitude, and then expect a miracle. Now, before I go, I have to tell you something very important. So during this video, I was thumping on my chest real hard, and my Apple Watch went off and thought I was having a heart attack and said, "Do you need help? Are you okay?" And the answer is yes, I am definitely okay. Thank you so much. We love you. Have a great day because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now. My phone was about ready to call an ambulance for me when I thumped on my chest like that. It thought I was having a heart attack.
I didn't know what that noise was. I'm like, that's a new one.